Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, panoramic sunroof, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.